Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car amplifier in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car amplifiers to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is iNavi P48E. Specifications. Brand name, iNavi. Model name, P48E. Audio sensitivity, 91 dB. Signal to noise ratio, 0.1%. Impedance, 4 ohms. Frequency range, 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Out power, 4x50W. Audio encoding, multi-channel. Compatible, universal version. Color name, silver. Weight, 1.65 kilograms. Certification, CE. Number 4 is SUNUA 8-channel car amplifier. Specifications. Brand name, SUNUA. Model name, HIFI X12. Special features, HD media player. Material type, aluminum. Audio sensitivity, 115 decibels. Signal to noise ratio, 109 decibels. Impedance, 4 ohm. Frequency range, 20 Hz 20 kHz. Out power, 1000 watts. Audio encoding, stereo. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. Item weight, 6.5 kilograms. Item size, 360 mm, 220 mm, 90 mm. Color name, black. As the item number 3, we've selected digital sound processors. Specifications. Brand name, SUNUA. Model name, H612. Material type, aluminium. Audio sensitivity, 80. Signal to noise ratio, 100 decibels. Impedance, 4 ohm. Frequency range, 20 Hz 20 kHz. Out power, 50 watts. Audio encoding, multi-channel. Item weight, 2.5 kilograms. Item size, 185 mm, 185 mm, 50 mm. Color name, silver. Number 2 is Car DSP amplifier. Specifications. Brand name, Puzu. Model name, PZC7. Material type, aluminum. Audio sensitivity, 90 decibels. Signal to noise ratio, 108 decibels. Impedance, 4 ohm. Frequency range, 20 Hz 20 kHz. Out power, 4x150W. Audio encoding, multi-channel. Item weight, 1.2 kilograms. Item size, 170 by 100 by 33 m. Color name, black. On the top of our list at number 1 we have SUNUA Car DSP processor. Specifications. Brand name, SUNUA. Model name, DPX10 Plus. Material type, aluminum. Audio sensitivity, 88 decibels. Signal to noise ratio, 94 decibels. Impedance, 4 ohms. Frequency range, 20 Hz 20 kHz. Out power, 4x80W. Audio encoding, multi-channel. Item weight, 2 kilograms. Item size, 280 mm, 233 mm, 68 mm. Color name, black.